I've been using Meta's new $799 Ray-Ban display glasses for the past week, and this is the first time that I've actually felt like augmented reality belongs in real life. They look just like a regular pair of Ray-Bans, stylish, lightweight, and nothing about them screams tech. But hidden inside the right lens is a full-color 600 by 600 micro LED display, a 12 megapixel camera with 3x zoom, open-ear speakers, and a 6-mic array for crystal clear voice pickup. You can check messages, answer calls, follow directions, or even take two-way video calls all from your glasses. And for the first time, Meta added something interesting: the NeuralBand wrist strap. It lets you control the glasses using tiny hand gestures or finger taps without saying a word. The display is bright and crisp even in sunlight. Notifications or navigation arrows just float in your view and disappear when you look away. And that NeuralBand feels straight out of sci-fi. It reads signals from your wrist so you can scroll through messages, accept calls, or snap photos with just a flick of your fingers. Battery life gives you around 6 hours of use, and the case extends that to about 30 hours total. In daily use, this feels like a sneak peek at the future. You're walking, get a text, it pops up in your view. Need directions, the arrow just appears right where you're heading. Calls sound clear through the open-ear speakers, and your voice comes through clean even in noisy spots. The 12 megapixel camera actually looks good for quick content, with that 3x zoom and a small viewfinder overlay so you can see what you're filming. You can say, "Hey Meta," to take photos, send messages, or translate text right in front of you. The translation feature supports 6 languages: English, French, Italian, Spanish, German, and Portuguese. And it shows real-time captions right on the lens. It's not some flashy hologram stuff, just useful when you need it. So here's what stood out. They look great, they sound great, the display is bright enough to use outdoors, and that NeuralBand control is genuinely fun to use. Battery life holds up well, and it's easy to forget you're even wearing them after a while. The downsides is that they're expensive, and the display features are still limited. It's not true augmented reality yet, more like a smart overlay system. You still need your phone for most heavy lifting, and if you forget to charge the NeuralBand, it's just regular glasses again. But overall, the Meta Ray-Ban display glasses are the first pair that actually fit into everyday life. They're not trying to replace your phone, they're just making it easier to stay connected without constantly pulling it out. If you're into tech, content creation, or just want to experience what's next in wearable tech, these are worth checking out. And honestly, once you realize you can scroll through messages or translate full conversation just by twitching your fingers with that NeuralBand, it's hard to go back to normal glasses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.